Hey everyone, welcome back to Evie's Reading Corner. Today I'm going to read a book called A Well-Mannered Young Wolf. This is one of my favorite books ever. But before I get started with that, I have to say, please check out my other videos. They are a book for escargot. Talking is Not My Thing, The Last Tiger, and Walter the Farting Dog. So you should definitely check those out if you haven't already. But another thing I would like to do before we get started with A Well-Mannered Young Wolf is recommend a book. It's called The Secret Cat. I love this book and the illustrations are really cool, so you should definitely check it out. Alright, let us get started with A Well-Mannered Young Wolf. A young wolf whose parents had taught him good manners went hunting alone in the forest for the first time. Very quickly he caught a rabbit. "Hello, what is your last wish before I eat you?" "I suppose I can't ask for my freedom." "Obviously." "Well, then I'd like you to read me a story." The young wolf, of course, did not have a book with him, but his parents had taught him that a last wish must always be respected. "Okay, I'll have to go home then. I won't move a muscle, I promise." When the young wolf returned with his favorite book under his arm, the rabbit had vanished. "Wait, he's gone? Oh, that liar." The young hunter stormed off in search of other prey. And he captured a chicken. "What is your last wish?" Freedom." "Impossible, I'm too hungry." "Then I'd like you to play me some music." "I have a good book. Wouldn't you prefer a story?" No, I want music. Remember, a last wish must always be respected. I know." "Okay, I'll go find an instrument." "I won't move a feather. I swear." But the chicken didn't wait for the wolf either. "Another liar." Furious, the hunter resumed his search for more prey to devour. Soon he found a little boy. "What is your last wish before I eat you?" I'd really love a drawing, please." At the idea of having to return home a third time, the young hunter exploded with rage. But the little boy hadn't asked for his freedom, and he'd also said please. The wolf groaned and went back to his house. "I won't move a hair." "You're still here." "Yes, my parents taught me to always keep my promises." "Careful, don't move." "It's magnificent, thank you very much." "And now?" "You're going to eat me already? What a shame. I'd like to show my drawing to my friends." "Okay, fine, but be quick. I'm hungry." "Hey friends, look at my beautiful drawing." He gave it to me. Isn't it nice? Oh my gosh, that was so much fun reading A Well-Mannered Young Wolf. You should definitely ask yourself some questions like, why did he go hunting alone? He was so short. Or why did the boy stay? I know it already answers that in the book, but you could think of another reason why he stayed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Please subscribe, and that was fun.